The Feng Shui Money Bowl is one of the most powerful wealth tools you can place in your home. But here's what most people don't know. One wrong item inside it can actually block your wealth energy completely. Stay with me. I'll show you exactly what goes in. Welcome back. I'm Sandeep Raut, and today we are talking about the Feng Shui Money Bowl. This is not just a decorative bowl, it is a wealth activation tool. When done correctly, it creates a constant flow of wealth energy, what we call sheng qi, towards your home and your finances. But I see so many people making simple mistakes. Either they use the wrong items, or they miss the ones that matter most. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 specific items, what they are, why they work, and exactly how to place each one. By the end of this video, your money bowl will be ready to work for you, 24 hours a day. Let's get started. Item number 1. 3 Chinese coins, tied with a red string. This is the most traditional wealth symbol in all of Feng Shui, and there is a very specific reason for the number 3. In Chinese cosmology, 3 represents the union of heaven, earth, and humanity. When you tie these coins together with red string, the red activates yang energy, the active, moving, wealth-attracting force. These coins carry the energy of the emperor, abundance, authority, power. Place them at the bottom of your bowl. They form the foundation of your wealth energy. Now, one important detail. Make sure the yang side faces up. The yang side has 4 Chinese characters. The yin side has 2. Always. Yang side. Up. One of my clients had a money bowl for 2 years, with no results. When I looked at it, the coins were facing the wrong side. We corrected it. Within 60 days, she received an unexpected financial opportunity. Small detail, huge impact. Now, item 2 is something most people completely overlook, and it is the one that draws wealth energy towards you like a magnet. Item number 2, citrine crystal. Citrine is called the merchant's stone in Feng Shui, and that name is not an accident. This golden yellow crystal resonates with the energy of wealth and success. It activates the wealth vibration of your bowl and amplifies the financial energy around it. Feng Shui teaches us that crystals hold and radiate energy. Citrine radiates at a frequency that aligns with abundance and opportunity. Place 1 piece of citrine, ideally tumbled or raw, into the right side of your bowl. But before placing it, hold it in both hands for 30 seconds. Set your intention clearly. Say out loud, "This crystal attracts wealth and abundance into my life." Intention is the activating force behind every Feng Shui tool. The crystal holds the energy. Your intention directs it. Item 3 is one most people have never even heard of, but wealthy people in China have used it for centuries. Item number 3, pyrite, also known as fool's gold. Don't let the name fool you. Pyrite is one of the most powerful wealth-attracting stones in Feng Shui. Its golden metallic surface reflects and amplifies wealth energy. In ancient China, it was placed near the entrance of merchant shops to attract customers and prosperity. Place your pyrite next to your citrine. Together, they create a magnetic field for wealth qi. Think of citrine as the magnet and pyrite as the amplifier. One attracts, the other multiplies. Before we continue, if you already have a money bowl at home, type bowl in the comments. Let me know where you are in the process. It helps me understand what to create for you next. And if you are new here, welcome. Subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a Feng Shui tip. Item number 4, green jade. Jade is the stone of heaven in Chinese culture, used for over 5,000 years as a symbol of prosperity, protection, and long life. In Feng Shui, green represents the wood element, the element of growth and expansion. When you place jade in your money bowl, you are not just attracting wealth, you are inviting it to grow. Place a small tumbled jade stone on the left side of your bowl, the wood energy side. Think of jade as the gardener of your wealth garden. Whatever you plant, jade makes it grow. Now, item 5 is the most visually striking piece in the entire bowl, and it carries a specific energy that activates everything around it instantly. Item number 5, a red envelope with real currency notes inside. This is a critical item. The red envelope is the universal symbol of financial blessings in Chinese culture. Red activates yang energy. Currency inside it represents real, tangible wealth. Here is exactly how to do this. 1. Take a small red envelope. 2. Place 3, 8, or 9 currency notes inside. These are the most auspicious wealth numbers. 3. Write your intention on the envelope. Abundance flows to me, easily and effortlessly. 4. Seal it, and place it flat at the base of your bowl. The currency carries the energy of real money. The red envelope keeps that energy protected and charged. Item number 6. A small laughing Buddha, or a Pai Shu figurine. These are wealth symbols in Feng Shui. They are not religious objects. They are energetic anchors. The laughing Buddha, with his wide smile and generous belly, absorbs negative energy and radiates positive wealth energy in return. The Pai Shu is a mythical creature. It eats wealth, but never releases it. That is exactly the energy you want working in your home. Place your figure at the front center of the bowl, facing outward towards the room. This directs wealth energy out into your living space. And now, item 7. This is the one most Feng Shui teachers leave out, but it is the item that activates everything else in your bowl. Item number 7. Cinnamon sticks and cloves. I know what you are thinking. Spices in a money bowl? Yes. And here is why. In Feng Shui, scent is an energy activator. Cinnamon carries one of the highest vibrational frequencies of any natural spice. It has been used for centuries in wealth rituals across China, India, and Southeast Asia. Cloves attract prosperity and amplify the energy of every object placed near them. Place 2 cinnamon sticks and 7 cloves into your bowl. 7 is the fire number. It ignites and activates the wealth energy of everything around it. And every 3 months, replace them with fresh ones. This keeps your bowl charged and alive. There it is, your complete Feng Shui Money Bowl. Activated. Ready. One final step. And this is important. Placement. Place your money bowl in the southeast corner of your home, the universal wealth corner, or the southeast corner of your living room. Never place it on the floor. Always elevated, on a table or shelf, and never in the bathroom or kitchen. Never. Now I have one question for you. Which of these 7 items were you missing from your money bowl? Tell me in the comments below. I read every single one. If this helped you, share it with someone who needs to activate their wealth energy today. And for my complete Feng Shui wealth guidance, check out the wealth playlist. Link is in the description. I'll see you in the next one.